Join me as I prepare this absolutely amazing dish. This is our peppered steak made with fresh veggies from our garden, including this lovely parsley. This is absolutely delicious. So we're making peppered steak, and you might not buy peppered steak after watching this recipe. It's so good, guys. I'm removing the fat, and this beef was cut against the grain of the meat just so it cooks quickly and is very tender. So it is cooked, sorry, it is cut. I'm going to probably save these for soups. That will be delicious in a soup. So this meat is already cut against the grain, as I said, and I'm still going to slice it very thinly. My knife is not the best when it comes on to being sharp. Slice it very thinly. Like so. And so it cooks quickly and is really tender. This is apart from soup, this is the only way my family enjoy beef. We really don't particularly love beef, except like this. So I'm going to do that for all of the beef, and then we're going to go outside to get fresh peppers and seasoning from the garden to cook our pepper steak, because my living pantry is literally outside. That's where I get my produce, and I don't store them in the fridge unless I have a bulk and I have to put some in the freezer for my daily cooking. I just go to my garden and harvest my produce fresh. Alright, so let me just finish up this, guys, and then I'll show you everything all cut up and show you what I use to season. So I'll leave it to marinate while I harvest my veggies. Last piece. So remove all of the fat, well, excess fat, because there's still a little bit of fat in there, but it's mostly lean. All of the fats and those little ligaments that will be tough in there, all of that out. But as I said, that won't go to waste. I'm going to use it for soup. That is all of the beef all cut up. I'm going to season. This is already washed. All of this I'm saving for soup. This will make delicious soup. Alright, so I'm going to season with a little bit of salt. Little tubs of salt. I have some homemade cayenne pepper with a little bit. This is so hot, guys. You have to be smart with the amount that I put in there. I'm going to put a little bit of beef seasoning in there. You see that? Just have some amount of salt in there, so have to be less generous also. And then I'm going to put a little rosemary. Rosemary goes well with beef, so I'll put a little rosemary in, and a little bit of soy sauce, I'm putting a little bit of baking soda, and that is to tenderize it, and a little bit of cornstarch to texturize it. The baking soda will make it really tender when it is marinated in it for a little bit. And just combine all of that and just allow it to sit and marinate while I go and get my fresh produce in the garden. It smells so good. I need this tomato to put on my salad today. We allow this to ripen on the vine this much because we're going to plant the seeds. We need both hot and sweet peppers for a peppered steak. Look at these chilies. Oh, they're so pretty. So let me get one of these hot peppers. I'm going back here to get another sweet pepper. Now I need to pick this one off the plant so that it's not full, but it got sun scalded right there. So I'm taking it. I'm going to use it before it goes bad. Alright, I need this poblano. This is a sweet pepper as well. It's gonna add a nice pop of color. Oh, and this orange too. This will make it pretty too. Nice pop of color. What are you? I have no idea what that is growing. Alright. I need some scallion. Need some of you. These will just go right back, guys. These will go, well, not this one that I broke off. Those will go right back. Oh, need a little piece of thyme too. Not too much. Alright. Need this banana pepper. This is a sweet pepper too. Let me put you down there. Get this banana pepper. So small, but still usable. Some baby bells up here. Need lots of peppers, guys. Let me get a bell pepper back here. The sun is so hot. I'm gonna take these two bell peppers. You hear that, guys? They're driving crazy on the street. Alright. Almost there. This is fresh rosemary. I can't wait for this to be big enough so I don't have to use dry rosemary all the time. Fresh herbs. Loading, guys. Hold on. Need one of these poblanos. Right here. Guys, it's peppered steak, so we need lots of peppers in there. That one is overripe. Let me get one of the green ones. Oops. Container toppling over. Awesomeness. And let me get another bell pepper. Got the cayennes, guys. These are what I use to make the cayenne pepper powder that I just used. Let me get this lovely bell pepper back here. Ah, beautiful. Do you think I have enough now? I need more yellow in there. Let's find yellow peppers, guys. Right here we have bright yellow one. Beautiful. And another one there. Yeah, I think we have enough now. Let's get back to the kitchen, guys. Look at that. Fresh from Farming on the Rocks garden. So I'm going to wash these, cut them up along with a piece of onion and some carrots, and then I'll get back. So those are our veggies all washed and cleaned. Our carrots, onions, scallion, peppers, more peppers, hot and sweet peppers. That's garlic, the thyme, more peppers, and more peppers and more peppers. So I'm gonna cut these up now. And then at that point I think we're ready to start up the fire. Those are so pretty. Ah, gorgeous. That's like a rainbow platter. Fresh, beautiful. The only thing I'm not able to account for is the carrot and the onions. I just look at that. Beautiful and fresh. And then we're going to just brown the beef. I'm going to allow one side to brown and then flip them. Pot is a little bit overcrowded, but can work. Then we're going to flip them and then just have them cook a little bit before adding our peppers. But I'll show you each step. I'll take you through step by step. I said earlier that this is the only way we enjoy the beef, but we like minced beef also. Just is because it is minced, so it is tender. We enjoy minced beef as well, or beef mince, whichever way you call it. We like that too. I'm going to be adding some soy sauce to this. If I could get the bottle to open, I did. And guys, what did I say? Soy or oyster? This is oyster sauce. This thing is very strong. So I'm putting about a tablespoon in there. Hi buddy. You okay, Baba? And I'm going to add some soy sauce as well. So I get some color and flavor too. And just allow this to fry a little bit more. Smells so good. Now I need to make a sauce for this. So let's go make the sauce. Alright, I'm going to add some soy sauce can put both the dark and the light. This is the dark.
Light.
Yes, light. I'm going to put some black bean sauce in there. This is the one with the garlic. This is strong also, so I'm just putting a little. And I'm going to put a little chili oil. Chili sauce is good. Sweet chili sauce is good also. So in place of the sweetness, I'm going to add a little honey. So this is the oil. Oops. It's not a kitchen if you don't spill something. I'm adding a little more of the oyster sauce. Just a little. And then I'm going to add some water to that. Just a little. Because we're making a sauce. I'm going to add a little water. Maybe a little more. And to that I'm going to add some cornstarch to thicken the sauce. A little cornstarch. And to combine this, I'm going to add a little onion as well. Just give it a little sweetness. Could add some syrup if you don't have honey, or if you don't want to use honey, could use a little syrup. Alright, so this is the sauce, and I'm going to just set this aside until I'm ready for it. Alright, so I have been adding water to this periodically, and now it seems as though the beef is tender. So now we're going to add our veggies. So let's add our veggies to this. Loads of peppers and onions and carrots. The works, guys. All of the goodness going in. And seeing that we're adding so much vegetable, we're going to add a little bit more salt. Well, I've not added any salt yet, so I'm going to put a toops of salt. Did I put salt in the sauce? No, I don't need to add any salt here. We'll taste it after and see, but let's not add any salt yet. This is where I'm going to add the sauce that we made earlier over the veggies. Ah, that smells so good, guys. And just incorporate all of this, and this won't take long now because we don't want to lose the crunch in our lovely veggies, and we don't want to lose the color either. Now I'm going to cover this and allow it to simmer on the fire just for a little. I might need to add a little water, not a lot, because we want it to be really, really rich and nice. Oh, look at the colors on that, guys. This looks so good. I'm just going to add a little more water and allow this to simmer for a little. It's 5 minutes later, guys, and this is ready. Oh, wow, it is smelling amazing. This is ready, guys. Ah, this looks and smells amazing. Wow, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And so we'll be having our, what is this, Malik?
Peppered steak with white rice.
We'll be having our peppered steak with white rice, guys. Oh my word.
It's pretty.
Guys, we want to thank you so much for joining us for this absolutely delicious recipe, guys. This, I can guarantee, is mouth-watering. Absolutely delicious. Appreciate you so much, guys. If you're watching and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's absolutely free to you guys. Go ahead, press that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post another video. There you go. Enjoy.